Hello friends, today we are going to create a new text style in AutoCAD. To create a new text style, click on this down arrow on the right side of this annotation and click on this down arrow on the right side of standard text style, and here go to manage text styles, and to create a new text styles, click on this new. You can give a name to your new text style as you desire. Here I will name it as Pro Style and click to OK. With the help of this down arrow, you can choose a different font name. Here I will make it as Calibri, and you can choose a font style for your font name. To every font name, we are not allowed to choose a font style. And here I will click on a square box in the left side of annotative, and in paper text height I will make it as 4. And we can also add our different effects to our text. If I click on this square box on a left side or upside down so that our tick marks appear in this square box, then this type of effect will be seen in our text. And if I click on a left side of backward so that tick marks appear on this square box, then this type of effect will be seen to our text. If I click on both a square box so that tick marks appear on this both square box, then this type of effect will be seen in our text. Here I will uncheck both of this square box. In this width factor, if we enter a value less than 1, then a gap as well as width of the text will decreases, and if we enter a value greater than 1, gap between the letters as well as its width will increases. Here I will left it as 1. In oblique angle, you can enter a value between -85 to 85. Negative value will slant our text on the left side, whereas a positive value will slant our text towards right side. Here I will make it as 0. Let's apply it and close. Now type text as a command. Specify start point of text as this. Specify rotation angle as 0. And here write a text. Now I will select this text, right click on that and go to properties. Here we can see that our text is annotative, and we can make it non-annotative by clicking on this no option. This is our annotation object scale. Here it is 1:1, and we can change the scale of this text. We can add a scale for this text. Let us make it 2:1. Delete this, and 2 paper unit is equal to 1 drawing unit. This means our text size will be half. By this way, we have created a new text style called Pro Style in our AutoCAD drawing. Now let's cut it. Now we can modify this text style. So for this, click on a down arrow on the right side of this annotation and click on a down arrow on the right side of this Pro Style, and here go to manage text style, and in Pro Style you can change the font name from here. You can change font style from here, paper text height from here, and you can make this non-annotative by clicking on this square box so that tick marks disappear, and you can change its width factor, oblique angle, and you can add some effect and you can apply that. And by this way we can modify our created text style. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.